Howdy everyone! Welcome to your English 10 class. I am Jan, your English teacher. For today, we're going to continue the discussion of the lesson that we have discussed last week. Are you ready now? The most essential learning competency for today is to compose an argumentative essay. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to 1. Raise questions to clarify issues. 2. Share viewpoints based on the ideas presented. And lastly, to evaluate the information contained in the material viewed in terms of accuracy and effectiveness. We are still in the third quarter, week 2, composing an argumentative essay, part 2. How to outline an argumentative essay in 4 steps. A good argumentative essay should follow this structure. Number 1, introductory paragraph. Present the topic of the essay in an interesting way. Using humor in presenting important quality or an issue may interest the reader. Number 2, the thesis statement. This is part of the introductory paragraph. It states the topic and the purpose of your entire essay. 3. Body paragraphs. It supports and develops the thesis statement. Each paragraph in an essay supports the thesis statement of the introductory paragraph. 4. Conclusion. Summarizes the thoughts and brings the paragraph to a close. Knowing how to write a thesis statement properly is important. So for now, I will teach you how to write a thesis statement. Number 1, write a sentence that states the topic and the purpose of your entire essay. For example, the importance of Malagonlong Bridge to the people of Tayabas City. Number 2, turn the sentence into a question and answer it. Example, why does Malagonlong Bridge important to the people of Tayabas? Malagonlong Bridge is considered as one of the most important heritage sites in Tayabas City. It marked the first labor, also known as polo, labor done by the people of Tayabas. State a disagreement and then disprove it. Introduce an idea that contrasts with your belief and immediately explain why you disagree with it. For example, while some people believe Malagonlong Bridge is just an ordinary bridge, others say it can turn the city into a versatile tourist attraction. 4. Briefly outline your main points. Introduce your main point and explain how you'll back it up. For example, you can turn Malagonlong Bridge into a tourist attraction by adding some amenities to cater the visitors. This method is effective because it gives readers the clear idea of everything you are to discuss in your essay. The next topic would be the 5 types of argument claims. Number 1, facts. Whether the statement is factual or untrue. Number 2, definition. The dictionary meaning of what you are arguing plus your own personal understanding of it. Number 3, value. The significance of what you are arguing. Number 4, cause and effect. What causes the problem in your essay and what effect it has. And lastly is the policy. Why the reader should care and what they should do about it after reading. At this point, you will be answering the learning tasks assigned for this week. Learning task number 5, list of at least 5 familiar topics or issues that you may use as subject in writing an argumentative essay. Learning task 6, follow the process that you have learned to come up with your argumentative essay. You may also choose from the given suggested topics below. So here are the suggested topics. Number 1, What should people do to minimize or stop COVID-19? Number 2, should people have the right to own a gun? 3, should kids be able to vote in national elections? 4, does social media do more harm than good? And 5, do you think an hour reading is more beneficial? Learning Task 7. Check your own argumentative essay using the following checklists. Do I have the topic sentence? Do I have adequate supporting evidences? Do I conclude my essay correctly? Remember to edit or to revise your work. Here is our argumentative essay rubric. Lastly, do not forget to answer the reflection for today. Reflect on what you have learned from the lesson by completing the phrases below. I used to think that, but now I think. Thank you for participating in today's discussion. I hope everybody was able to understand our lesson for today. Remember to be ready next week for our next lesson. That would be all for today. Ciao!